I suddenly put microphone and we don't have microphone. So what? What's yummy? I have a gun. Okay, Archie, do you like your new outfit? Archie, run! Run! Hello, talk. Okay, run and talk, okay? Okay, Archie, the gun. Close the door. I know. No, don't close it. Don't close it. Now. Your turn. Okay. Archie. Okay, run, Archie, run, ha? Run, Archie, run. Run. Archie, hurry up. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh, that's so scary, Archie. Last time you did right there, and he didn't listen to me, and I said it right there. Right. Like, run. Oh, Archie, use the phone to call 911. Rings. Someone's here, Archie. Hmm. Bang! Okay, Archie, just power went out. The power went. Gosh, Bang, there's something. You're able to charge it. Oh, there's I should hide until the police arrive. I could stay here or risk hiding in the bathroom. Okay, let's go. Let's go in and hide the bathroom. Hide. Dali. Dali. Go, go. I'm too higher. Let's go higher. Get the gun. Hero ending. You use your gun to defend yourself against the creep. When the police arrive, they confirm that he was the person they were searching for. Yes, Arky, we got the something. We got it. We got one. We won, Arky. We won. So today's guys, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Just talking for.